Hi friends, today we are learning how to repair Metato plunger dial 2046S. First we know all the parts of the Metato plunger dial. This is plunger dial bezel, this is plunger dial tolerance, this is O-ring, this is outer scale, this is a big pointer, small pointer, it's a inner scale, it's a plastic wheel, spring, screws, base plate, gear, center pinion, assemblies, back plates and screw. This is body, this is top screw, this is top cover, locking lever, spindle, hairspring, knob, lug back plate and flat back plate. Now how to open plunger dial? For this you require some tools. Tools are this is Metato plunger dial 2046. Then you require tweezer, screwdriver. And how to open the now? See, you can hold it like that and then just push it. Now this is plunger dial bezel. Now this you can open this. This is outer scale or reading scale. This is the big pointer, this is a small pointer. Big pointer, small pointer, 4 screws are there. First we can open for the screws, or we can also open this like pull it the big pointer, same way we can open small pointer also. Then you have to inner scale. Then we have to open 4 screws. In that way you can open this. Now this is the O-ring. This is the intermediate gear for 2046. Now we also open this 4 screws also. 1, 2, 3, 4. We are Ideal Instruments. We are expert in digital and mechanical measuring instrument repairing. We have also enable accurate lab. If you want any spare parts, anything, please contact me. My mobile number is 9028000350. In this is the intermediate gear. This is the center pinion on which the big pointer is fitted. Then this is the plastic gear with spring. You have to remove this, then you can also fit that like this. Then you have to pull again. These are the parts. Then we have to open back side, lug back plate. We have also enabled upgraded lab, that's why. This is the spring, spindle spring. This is the spindle on which that peach and thread is there, on which the gear is moving. Plus first cross check, there is no damage this side or worn out, something like that. Otherwise the dial gets stucky or maybe not working properly. Then now we can, if you want to remove this, you have to like that. Then you have to open top cover, this. Then you have to just punch it here, and this will be removed. This you can punch here, this also will be removed by small punch. I am not removing right now because there is no problem in this side. Is for training video. For more you can contact me. Then we can again fixing it. Here one side is here and one side is here. You can attach it. Then top screw again you can fit it. Sure it's tight properly, otherwise you gets error. Also that ball point also. Now we can again assemble it, the plunger dial. Now center pinion, then intermediate gear, then I am expert, that's why. Otherwise you can opening first time, you can mark it on like first, second, third, fourth on each part. Then you can get also the position of the plate where it can be fitted again, and then you can move it like that. This you are the intermediate gear rotating. Then again we are fixing four screws by the help of screwdrivers. We are planning to conduct courses how to repair measuring instruments. It is the first time in India. No one give the deep knowledge about the spare parts and everything. We are the stockist of the Medito spare parts. Then in that way you have to fix the pointer first, hold the pointers, or otherwise hold it the sector gear or intermediate gear here and rotate anti-clockwise. Then spring gate tension. like in this way, 4 to 5, and when you remove it goes back again. This like in this way the pressure will be given to the spring. You can hold it like that and you can fix it here from adjust here where now everything is okay. Just look the working is properly or smoothly. Now I think working is properly smoothly. Again we can fit for the screw here at its given position. Make sure all the screws are tightened. Now again you can check. Now it is working properly, very smoothly. You have to remove that. Then you can fix that o-ring between this groove and this plate. You can fix it. O-ring. Then you have to fix the inner reading plate. Then small pointer again. Or you can use tweezer also. Make sure it is on 0. Then slightly hammer by screwdriver. Now the small pointer is moving properly. Some line is given by company. You can adjust that pointer on that big pointer approximately near to that point. Yes, and just slightly hammer it. Now your dial is working properly. You have to like this way. You have to put outer scale, then you have to put bezel. Just press it. Just make sure no pointer is not touching the glass and inner scale, and just again check it. See, it's showing repeatability and 0 0. Again this is for bezel lock. You can tight it in this way. You can fix the bezel. Here is the 2 slots. In that you can add or fix the tolerance pointer. And now you can again fix it the back plate, lock back plate. If you require some, give some oil in that. Which oil means maybe swing machine oil is better for this, because the everything movement and everything will be smoothly running. And now the top cover. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share it to your friends, relatives. Thank you for watching. I am Parag Saraf from Ideal Instruments.